Gikoretwo gigibarwa kirito kuri ministry ya githomo gukinyaniria itua riria mathomo mabatie gucokereria maria marugamirio kumana na hau ya king'uki gia COVID-19 amu murimu uyu no uthiete na mbere na gutamba guku bururi-ini.
I will advise His Excellency the President to take the risk of considering allowing you to open on the 1st.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Embu hindi ya mucemanio na arutani anene a thukuru cia college, Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha augite angikorwo thukuru cia colleges na universities ni igucokereria mweri-ini wa kenda, no muhaka arugamiriri matigirire arutani ao ni mathimwo murimu wa COVID-19 niguo gutigirira arutwo matiri ugwati-ini o wothe.
We must test all the teachers before they go back to class. But it's not there are not many. So I think we agree with you that you arrange to make sure that at least by the time they are opening, they have tested for COVID at least the previous 2 weeks, so that we don't have a situation where we spread the outbreak for nothing and people die for nothing. Is that reasonable to do?
Ona kuri uguo, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite gutabanio gwa ithimi ici ti undu muhuthu kumana na namba nene ya arutani, ona gutuika ni iranire kunanira njongwa na ministry ya githomo niguo kuiguithanirio ria mutaratara uyu ugukinyanirio.
Testing such a huge number of people at any time is going to be a very big challenge for us. We will of course be in discussion when it comes to matters of this kind. We will be sitting with the relevant sectors and ministries so that we come to a consensus on what is the best approach to be able to make sure that children coming back to school, as well as the teachers who are teaching them and the staff in those schools, are safe and protected.
Maya mokite oriri aruti wira thukuru cia secondary na makiria arangiria thukuru icio makoretwo matekurihwo makiria ma mieri 3, makiuga aingi ao ni mahingiirwo nyumba ona thengia wa gukorwo no mararoka wira o ta mutugo.
Mathina maria twinamo ni makiritie njano riu. Andu ni mararuta wira maocimani macio mari o wira-ini kuria matereba mari wira-ini no mushara mationaga. Ingihana rogano na kuria angi maragwa nyumba.
Mateta maitu ni very simple, ni mushara. To tutikoretwo tukirihwo. Cukuru imwe itirarihwo ona nduru kuma riria this pandemic yambiririe. Tutierirwo twa kurihwo niki aria angi magatumirwo SMS thimu-ini tigutiri mushara kana ririhagwo nuthu.
Thirikari ikoretwo igikinyiriria no nginya mitaratara yothe iria yendekithitio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ithingatithio mathukuru-ini mbere ya mathomo macokereirie guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.